Sorry to begin recording so late, but better late than never. As you can see, the plastics are all off my bike, including the side fairings, the windshield, the headlight assembly, the mirrors, the seat, and the fuel tank is now off. You can see the battery is exposed. There's the K&N muffler on the rejetted carburetor. There's the suspension. And if I didn't already mention, I'm going to dismount the engine. Fluids are all drained, oil and water, except for the reservoir. I'm not stealing this bike, I just haven't moved it. It's on my loft, it's still on there. And well, my engine mount bolts are here and here, so I'm just going to have to take off some of the external elements. For instance, this clutch cable, the muffler, a lot of the water fittings and the wiring. And then hopefully I can store the bike and work on the engine in my own space. Again, this is a Ninja 250, if I haven't already mentioned. Cool little thing.